Tanya here from Hand Lettered in Love. Today we're going to be doing a super cute bullet journal layout for Valentine's Day using my Valentine's Day traceable templates. The journal I am using is a Leuchtturm, and I will actually link that below for you. The pages are nice and see-through so that you can see the printable worksheet underneath so that you can trace it. And I will be using my Pentel brush pens, which I will also link below. And then of course the worksheets will be linked below as well. So pretty much what you want to do is, you can see that I already put a photo of my little guy on here previously with some washi tape, and then I did a little outline around him, and so now I'm ready for the words, and we're going to do sweetheart today, which is part of the bundle. This is one of the worksheets from it. And so you're just going to line it up to get it ready, and then you're simply just going to trace over the letters that you see. So I am using the brush pen, so I'm able to get the thick and thin lines as I'm going. So because I'm pressing harder when I go down to get that thick downstroke. You don't have to use a brush pen for this. You can actually just kind of draw in the letters and add in that thickness yourself with any kind of pen. So say that you wanted to use a glitter ink pen, like a gel pen or something like that, or any kind of pen really that has just a bullet tip, you can totally do that. You just want to trace around the letters and just add in the thickness as you go. So there's two different ways to do it. The brush pen is nice because you can press harder and get that thick downstroke right in one swoop, and you don't have to go back. Well, I mean, I am going back to fix some stuff, but for the most part, you don't have to go back and add the thick. So I'm just kind of going through the motions here and tracing everything in. It's totally okay to alter things as you go. Just think of this as a guideline, just to kind of give you a starting off point. You'll see that I start to go back and add some more thickness into the letters, because after I got it in there, I felt like it was a little thin, and I wanted there to be a little bit more contrast between the thick and the thin strokes. So I'm going in and I'm adding some thickness. Just another thing to mention is whether you're left or right-handed. I'm obviously a lefty, but you'll see when I get ready now and here, I turned my whole book and trace that part of the S. That just makes it easier for me, just the angle. It makes it easier to turn the actual paper. So don't forget, that's okay to do as you're tracing through here. So just another added thing that I decided to do was put some stripes inside of the heart with both colors, just to give it a little added, design. And then lastly, I had these cute little heart stickers. They're actually like hard plastic hearts, but they're stickers. So I am putting them onto my design as well to finish it off, and just kind of randomly placing them wherever I feel that they look balanced and, they fit the whole space the best. So I will just finish putting these little hearts on here. Just kind of spacing them out a little bit here. I think we'll do one more. And there we have it. A cute little Valentine's Day page in my bullet journal. That little guy is my son, one of my sons, and I think it looks cute. So these tracing templates are actually available in my Etsy shop, and I will link them below. There are 12 designs altogether, and there is 2 for each design. One is for a small brush pen, and one is for a large brush pen. So thanks for creating with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.